Okay, so there's a slight delay on this unboxing. So I got this size 11 shoe from Hoka One. It's called Arahi 2. There's a original version of Arahi 1, but since I've been searching for a new shoe, I got this one. This Hoka shoe, Arahi 2, is a stability shoe. So being the overpronator, I choose this one for running. So I hope this one will last. And I think durability wise, it's very nicely crafted. I hope, and it's very gaan. So I guess it weighs around 9 ounce, 9 plus ounce. Okay. So I hope these shoes fits me well and will run like a wind. Thank you for watching the unboxing of Hoka One Arahi 2. God bless. Let's rock and roll.